guys. Ooh, it's bright. I don't have any lights on right now. So I said I was going to make stuff from the dollar store, and I am. Finally cleaned my kitchen a little. But we are going to make tacos. And it's really easy to make them. But look at this. It has a security tab on it. Like, what? I didn't know that hamburger was such a hot commodity in the black market. But apparently it is. Oh, what are the odds? Me breaking everything. That's kind of sad, but kind of funny at the same time. Oh, yeah. This kitchen's bigger, but I still have the issue with space. I need a knife. Should probably... Yes, I know, my oven is dirty. Okay, there's the pan heating up. Got it for free. Maybe I should turn the flames down a little. And you can't even see the flames. Okay. I still think it's funny that there's the security tab on this. Like, apparently, hamburger is a hot commodity and has to be protected. Seriously, who is stealing hamburger? Don't answer that, there's probably someone out there that does. Oh, that is hot. Okay, now for some seasoning. I'll flatten this out. Whose idea was to make a white wall for a kitchen? Whose idea was it to paint a wall white anyway? Anyway, a little bit of salt. Or a lot of it. Some crushed red pepper. Little bit of garlic. I already had this. I think I said that. If I already had the spices, I'm not gonna specifically go out of the way to buy them again. Because I think this was like a $2 thing of garlic. Little bit of cayenne. Now we mix it all together. I would put new, if I had any, I would have used some nutritional yeast because I've got a B12 issue. This is cooking up rather nice. Here. I will see you in a bit when I'm done cooking this. There. Here we are. Taco meat is done. Now we put in the seasoning. Doing this with one hand is not easy. There we go. Now we just mix it all together. Which is actually very hard to do with one hand. Okay, now that the taco stuff is complete, these are just gonna be... Wait. Someone's fire alarm is going off. That's nice. Sorry. Mozzarella cheese. That I can do with one hand. Like I said, these are just going to be basic. Just layer of cheese. Layer of hamburger. More cheese. And yes, I know what you're going to say. Aren't you lactose intolerant? Yes, I am. Do I care? No. And there they are. Tacos. Tacos. So this was my first dollar store meal. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.